As we already know, in the vacuum of space, sound does not propagate in the way we know it. However, there is a curiosity about sound in space, is that spacecraft often carry instruments that convert data from various sources, including electromagnetic data, into audible sounds. This is done so that scientists and astronauts can hear what is happening in space in a way that is interpretable for humans. For example, radio emissions from certain objects in space, such as pulsars and gas clouds, can be converted into sounds resembling rhythmic beats, hisses, or crackles. These sounds can provide valuable information about the characteristics and processes occurring in space, allowing scientists to study the cosmos in an auditory way, in addition to visual or data analysis. This approach of translating space data into sounds is known as sonification and helps make space more accessible and understandable for us humans, who are accustomed to processing information in the form of sound. Now see the sounds captured from a neighboring galaxy. We hope you've enjoyed our journey through the mysterious sounds of space. The universe is truly fascinating and filled with auditory wonders that challenge our understanding. If you want to continue exploring the secrets of the cosmos and learn more about science, astronomy, and cosmic phenomena, be sure to subscribe to our channel to receive regular updates and not miss any of our exciting future videos. Thank you for watching. And remember, space is full of surprises, and we're here to explore them together. Please leave your comments, questions, and suggestions below. Until next time.